What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a go. Shorty she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with YMY hair. YMY hair. And y'all, I received this curly 26-inch full lace 13 by 6. Y'all, really 13 by 6 apart and goes all the way back. The hair came pre-plucked, y'all. The hair was fire, but also went ahead and did my own little plucking. I honestly didn't need to, but you guys know I'm extra. First things first, I would highly recommend this hair, y'all. The curl patterns, I don't think I ever received a wig with this type of curl pattern. I don't know, like, it gives spiral curl, and I'm waiting for it to dry because I really want to do that big look. So that's why I did the half up, half down. I might do my ponytail a little higher so you can see it, like about right here. But so far so good. I love this hair. This hair is really full, it's fluffy, it's giving what it's supposed to give, y'all. This hair is fire. Hairline, everything, lace wear, honey. I melted this lace and I didn't use no glue, all spray, y'all. This hair is fire. Like I said, I highly recommend. I think you guys can see how thick this hair is, y'all. This hair is so thick. I can't wait to do other styles with this wig. Lace, like I said, is hitting, y'all. I'm trying to step out and do like the big fluffy baby, not fluffy, but big baby hair, and I think I'm liking it. Like, I'm really jacking how I did this. I hope I can do it again. You know, sometimes you do something one time and can never do it again. But y'all, like I said, this wig is fire. They have plenty other types, styles, and textures of wigs. It's not my first time working with this company, and I can say honestly, they hit every time. I don't know, the hair is so soft. The only type of shedding I got, well, shedding is normal. You're gonna get shedding, period, in life. Even with your own hair, shedding is normal. But when it's too much shedding, I can understand. But let me hurry up, my camera's dying. But yeah, the only shedding I got was from when I plucked the hair, and of course I had to comb that hair out. But other than that, y'all, this hair is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. If you are interested in this wig, the exact link is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're interested on how I got this look, I keep falling. And if you're interested on how I got this look, continue watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.